If you don't want an iron to get rusty, what do? You lubricate it. When there is friction between two or more ions, kí la fi bẹ̀ wọ́n? Epo ni. Epo is a lubricant. Epo la fi laja irin. So when you see an Ogun priest pouring palm oil on a bunch of iron, that is not mysterious. He is only being a technologist. What he is doing is not different from what you do when you are oiling the engine of your car. Ogun, therefore, is our own understanding of iron and metallurgy. Ogun is the Yoruba understanding of technology, which is why it makes sense that he is the Orisa of warfare, because iron has given to man a lot of advantages during war. The Iron Age changed our world eternally. Humans now use irons as weapons. What is technology without iron? Without iron, you wouldn't have been able to watch this video. I wouldn't have been able to shoot it. This is iron. Your phone, your cars, your computers, they are all iron. So when we say Ogun lana, that is what we are talking about. Tá bá sọ pé Ogun ṣínà, Ogun rinde, that is what we are talking about. Ogun is not just that bloodthirsty deity who wants to kill everybody. Ogun is the Yoruba understanding of technology, of warfare, creativity, lyricism, and even poetry. Now, what about Oshun, Olokun, Yemoja, Otin, Erin? Àwọn eléyìí ni Olúwẹ̀rí, Olúwaẹ̀rí, the lords of the water. Eri means water. These are the spirits that dwell in water. Shango is the Yoruba understanding of electricity and everything attached to it, starting from the rawest form of electricity, which is thunder, ara. So if I want to understand one or two things about electricity in the Yoruba worldview, I go to Shango and I study him in-depthly. Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná tá a tún mọ̀ sí bàbá àgbà, Olóde Ṣàgbàrìgí, Ọbalúwayé àbí Babalúwayé pẹ̀lú. This one is the Yoruba understanding of the operatings of epidemic diseases, how they are caused, how they spread, and how they can be contained. The Ṣọ̀pọ̀nná movement is one that includes the inoculation of victims of epidemic diseases through the use of gbere. I have done a whole series on this sometime last year with Dr. Tunde Adegbola, and the links to those videos are provided in the description of this video. Now, who is Eshu? Eshu is our own understanding of cause and effect, retribution, accountability, and even protection. Eshu is our understanding of the confusion that is associated with the crossroads, which every man experiences at every crucial moment in his life. That point where you are confused, where you don't know where to go, when you need guidance. Èṣù là ké sínú àkókò bẹ́ẹ̀, òun ni onílé oríta. A lot more to come about Eshu very soon. But let us go on. Who is Ọbàtálá? Ọbàtálá, Ọbàtárìṣà, Alámọ̀ire. That deity is the Yoruba understanding of everything that has to do with creativity. Egungun is the Yoruba understanding of the world of the ancestors. And Ifa, the greatest of them all, is the Orisa of wisdom, of knowledge of everything that exists, the Orisa of Imo, understanding, the one that every other deity depend on for knowledge and wisdom and understanding. Ifa knows the history of all things that exist in our physical and spiritual world. So all of these Orisa, as I keep saying, are our understanding of the various aspects and principles of our universe. When anything goes wrong with any aspect of our world, we remind ourselves of these principles by paying homage symbolically to the Orisa. And that is where Etutu comes in. That is where Ebo comes in. All of these things are deep, but they are not beyond our understanding. If you go after them with a diligent heart of sincerity, you will find them, you will understand them. So we shall be talking about these things bit by bit. We can't exhaust everything in one video. But don't forget, Eshu is the main character of our discourse, the one we are really trying to study. This video is only to pass across a very necessary information that is going to make our journey a lot smoother. Stay with me on this journey. Trust me, there are a lot of very fascinating things you are going to learn. And as always, I part with you for now with the assurance of the fact that indeed, wàá ṣeré.
Ọ̀gbẹ́ni ṣe ló ń là tó ń là tó ń là tó ń là inú mi máa ń dùn sínú èèyàn báyìí Mr. wàá ṣeré ẹ ṣeré mò ń gbádùn yín gan bẹ́ẹ̀ tún ṣe ń ṣe program tí ó tún yàtọ̀ sí bá a ṣe ń ṣe èèyàn tó bá dẹ̀ wo fídíò yìí tó yẹ ilẹ̀ Yorùbá ò bá dẹ̀ yìí á jẹ́ pé olúwa ẹ̀ abẹ́rẹ́ ẹ̀kú kan láàrò àbí ní Yaba ẹ̀yin tí akéde ẹ bá mi lọ fọ́lò ọ̀gbẹ́ni wàá ṣeré lórí YouTube torí orí YouTube lèmi ti lọ rí fídíò yìí tèmi wá gbé wá sórí TikTok ẹ jọ ẹ bá mi lọ fọ́lò wọn lórí YouTube ẹ má jẹ́ ká jẹ́ abáramọ́ọ̀rẹ́ jẹ èèyàn bọ́ẹ̀ pass information sí wa ẹ jẹ́ ká náà máa appreciate wọn ẹ jọ ẹ bá mi lọ fọ́lò wọn ẹ má dẹ̀ gbàgbé láti fọ́lò Akéde Oòduà náà lórí YouTube náà ṣòye kó má dàbí pé èèyàn fi ẹrù ẹ̀ lẹ̀ èèyàn gbórí ẹ̀ lẹ̀ èèyàn wá ló ń jà dórí olórí ẹ̀yin tí Akéde ẹ jẹun lọ kò sí wàhálà Mr. Wàá ṣeré ẹ ṣeré.